GBPJPY, this trade is a hot trade, but this is the most exciting hot trade we have this week, and let me explain to you why. Right, let's get back to basic first. On the weekly chart, what we have over here, a retest of resistance. Right, what you need to see is a magic candle confirmation. You're heading for a selling opportunity. To the daily chart, nothing much for myself. For our chart, you can see that there is a bit of a deep godly pattern and an ABCD pattern over here. Some traders will argue this is invalid trade. Our students will know that this is a valid trade because there are certain rules about candlesticks reading that we are very firm about it. And if you are our students, then you shouldn't miss this, right? Huge trade over here, right? We are talking about 94 to 100 pips of profit potential, right, on pound yen, which translates to more than 600 US dollar per standard contract traded, right? But what I want to talk about is on this 1 hour chart. We do have a upcoming bearish shock pattern that is setting up, right? So the completion is at 199.29. That's one way of engaging it. If we head down to the 15-minute chart, we do have an ABCD pattern that complete at 199.09, right? Slightly earlier, but you could imagine if you've been trading for quite some time, you will understand what I'm trying to say. If not, just rewind the last 10 seconds and listen again, you will get it, right? So there'll be at times that we have a candlestick body over here, and we have a long wick that happen that form up, and that touches 199.29, right? If you know how to read the candlesticks formation, this doesn't violate the setup, and it does give the best of both worlds, because right now I can engage based on the 15-minute chart ABCD pattern to head in for a selling opportunity, having the 15-minute chart kind of risk, which is a lower risk in terms of stop loss placement. But my final target I could place over here on at least the first target will give me an amazing reward is to risk. Typically, it will give me a 4:1, depends on currency pair, depends on time frame, right? 4:1, right? So just imagine that having 2:1, you just need 40% accuracy to be profitable. How about 4:1? Think about that, right? And what is even nicer over here is that on the 1 hour chart, when you hit the bullish 5-0 pattern setup, that is about 198.25, I could engage another buying opportunity over here, right? 25 is somewhere over here. So I could take on another trade over here. Imagine I have one position over here, second position over here, third position over here. I have three positions riding on a same trade. And all the money and risk I have for this project, if you see trades as a project, is being earned by the previous trading setup. So if this is something that you will be interested, you want to, learn this skill set and, earn additional income with just 15 minutes a day, and you have one day to spare to learn this, drop me a DM.